Ready?
Welcome to another episode of Watch Once Over. Today we're going to be looking at this Frédérique Constant Classic Premiere with the silver dial. I think they hit it right out of the park with this one. It has these classic Roman numeral styles at 12, 3, 6, and 9, along with this beautifully done up domed sapphire crystal and a domed sapphire crystal on the black. This is showing that beautiful La Joux Perret GP100 movement, offering a full 68 hours of autonomy. This watch goes for $21.95 and it's available right now at ArizonaFineTime.com. This has shades of Breguet. I love the Breguet style hands on here. I love the cross hatching in the center of the dial, along with that dual railroad track. One on the inside of the numerals and one on the outside. That is just totally classic. As you notice at the bottom of the rehold, every 5 seconds is marked off with those small numerals. The dial's not cluttered up. You just got Frédérique Constant Geneva and automatic. The case is an excellently done up case, really nice size. Let's measure this. 38.5 millimeter case. The thickness is only 11. That is awesome. And the lug to lug is only going to be a 44. So this one is definitely going to fit everybody. This is a really nice dress watch. And you have that in-house GP100 movement by La Joux Perret or La Joux Perret. That is it, La Joux Perret. And this one is called the FC301 in this one. I mean, I really, really love it as a dress watch. This is what it looks like on my wrist. This will fit under any dress cuff or sleeve. And that size is perfection, I have to say. And now you got this genuine crocodile strap on here too. Signed FC Frédérique Constant crest over on the buckle. On the inside, you see it says croc calf. So the inside is calf leather. The outside is crocodile. Really nice offering for $21.95. I love it. This watch is totally amazing for what you get for the price. I really like this one a lot. And it also has that 4 hertz beat rate on here, 28,800 vibrations per hour. And these run about plus or minus 2.5 seconds a day. Really great movement. I love it. And look at the Geneva striping on that gold tone rotor and the Geneva striping on the movement. Everything sits under that glass case. You get 50 meters of water resistance on this one. You don't need a lot with a dress watch. And this case is just polished up beautifully. Let me know what you guys think about this one. This is the Frédérique Constant Classic Premiere, the silver dial. Let's move it on here so I can give you close-ups on here. Look at that crosshatch pattern. Look at those beautiful Breguet style hands. Sewing needle second hand. I like it. Let me know what you guys think. My name is Big E. That's the Watch Once Over for today. Please subscribe. God bless. And as usual, I'll catch you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching.